Hi friends, great morning and welcome to daily analysis. Friends, I have mentioned yesterday that I was expecting a upside movement, right? And I told that I was expecting up to 5784 level, which I mentioned in my yesterday's video. I told that in NYMEX crude opening time, it was trading somewhere near to the CPR range and it was trying to take a support. Then after all, we got a good pattern and it went up to the weekly pivot level. This is what the level which I told you, right? 69.78, this level, right? Exactly, it went to those level, even though it went in the late evening, but it went to our target, right? And let us do today's analysis first. We will do with the daily candle. So it's very clear that in MCX, the crude has given you a very good bullish candle, elephant candle. You can see that even it didn't break the intraday low. All the whole day, buyers were actually dominating. Buyers were taking control, and they were dominating. And at the closing time, just it made a small low, but it's overall, it is a bullish big elephant candle, right? So the trend likely to continue, but I'm not telling it can be a trend reversal. As I mentioned in my yesterday's video, I was expecting a retracement, which I told you, and this is what actually happening, right? Maybe somewhere near to our resistance zone. Now, this zone is a resistance zone, right? 58372 to 6083 level. This is our resistance zone. So somewhere near to, maybe it will reach somewhere here and take a resistance, or it will go somewhere middle, or even it can go to this zone up to the top also. Somewhere it can take a resistance and come down also, right? So overall trend may remain bearish, but intraday it can slightly show some bullish trend, and somewhere at the resistance it can take a resistance, right? And one more reason I told, that 20 EMA is trading very far, so somewhere it can do the retracement and touch the 20 EMA, right? And this is what even you can see very clearly in NYMEX crude. I told you yesterday, this is a very good bullish pattern for us. It is a retracement pattern, and it can take a retracement, and up to what level it can take a retracement when we don't know. Maybe it can go to this zone somewhere at 70.13 or 72.34, this zone. Any level it can go, touch the 20 EMA, somewhere again it can come down, and maybe so after coming down, it may be some days it may be a sideways day, or sometime it can come down and break the previous the major low and continue the bearish trend, or even if it breaks this zone with a big elephant candle or rocket candle, we may change the trend, right? So this is the probabilities. These are the probabilities, right? That we will see accordingly. But I just want to show you that the trend remains positive, maybe for the day also, maybe, but we should be cautious at our resistance zone. That's the only thing we need to understand, right? And NYMEX crude morning opened near to the CPR range. CPR, again, it's a wide CPR indicating sideways day, but today we have crude inventory and we have Fed made. So maybe that pressure will be there somewhere. We need to be cautious at that also, right? And as of now, it is something looking, it is trying to make some bullish pattern, but candles are not strong enough for us to take any decision. And we have an immediate resistance at 69.80 level, which is our weekly pivot and which is our yesterday's high, right? And above that, we have 70.20, which is almost our resistance zone starting. And so that should be again taken care. And if at all price goes to this level and started creating any patterns for a bearish trend, it may come down and somewhere settle near to the CPR range, right? And I will show you the important levels in our 30-minute chart in MCX crude. That will be more relevant. So friends, as of now, the market price has opened and it is trading near to the CPR range. CPR range starting from 5676 to 5742. So it's a wide CPR, right? 5676 to 5742 is a wide CPR and indicating a sideways day. But since we have a crude inventory, we may be getting some time second half a trending day. We will see accordingly, right? And as of now, since the price is trading above our weekly pivot and it's above CPR range, maybe slight, it can come down, settle somewhere near to the CPR And if it's taking a support and if it breaking the previous day's high, which is 5788, with 20 MA support, immediately it can go and settle somewhere near to 5834 level, right? 5834 level in our daily candle, we have seen that this is the level which I told you that the resistance zone starts, right? So same here, it starts at 583435 level. We should be cautious at that level. And if it breaks and continues, next level is 5910 level, right? So 583335 level, then 5910 level. Above that, we have 6018 level, 6018 level. These are the important three levels, but I don't think so it can go up to this level, right? And these are all inside our resistance zone, which I mentioned in our daily chart, right? Up to 6081, 82 level, we have this zone. So these are all inside the resistance zone, right? Maybe it can take a resistance at 583335 level or 5910 level or maximum by 6019 level, right? This is the upside level. And in case if it breaks the CPR range with any pattern, I may be looking immediate target of 5558, right? 5508 level, and which is near to yesterday's low, right? And we have a good support zone here. I may be looking first target as here. And if it breaks, then my major support, which is the green line I mentioned, it's a 50% retracement, 5397 level, 539798 level. That will be the important level for me, right? And breaking those levels and sustaining will be slightly difficult, I feel, because it's a very important support zone. And immediately also we have another support at 5376. And later we have at 5293 level, right? But that's all unlikely to happen as of currently it's showing. But we will see according to the live market trend, right? So I want to tell you, friends, these are probabilities. These are not certainty. So according to the price action at each location, we need to change the trend. We need to change the view, right? Friends, I want to give you a disclaimer. These are my personal views, personal studies. So I don't guarantee you any success or profit from these trades. Make sure you do your own analysis and make sure you maintain proper risk-reward ratio. Friends, tomorrow, Thursday, 7:30 p.m., we have an exclusive webinar called Price Action Secrets, where I'm going to teach you more about price action and what is the psychology behind support and resistance, what are the important candles. And also, I'm going to share you 3 important patterns, intraday pattern, which you can actually apply in commodity or index or equity trading, right? And friends, Friday, we have another webinar called a Superpower Trader, where I'm going to teach more about psychology behind successful trading and money management role. Friends, both will be starting at 7:30 p.m. and ends by 9:30 p.m. So I want all you to register for the masterclass. The link to register for the masterclass is in the description. Click on the link and register for the masterclass. And also, I want to request all you to subscribe the channel and hit on the like button, comment in the comment box, what are the more information you want from the daily analysis, and also share this video with your other trading friends. So thank you very much. Wishing you all a very happy and successful trading. Thank you.